for Facebook users. So if you're already trying to get monetized or you already monetized, I would like you to listen to this video or listen to me to the end for you to understand where I'm heading to and the information and the secret which you should actually take note. You see, I've been getting this question, like, I've already been monetized on YouTube, on Facebook. How am I going to set up my monetization? The requirement that is needed, the postal code, and so on. And in today's video, I want to concentrate more on postal code because so many people have been asking that question in my video, and I would like to do a video about it, which I'm doing now. So I would like you to listen to the end of this video for you to get the information on how you can be able to get your postal code depending on any country you are coming from. So if this is your first time of watching my video, what we'll do here is how to grow on every of our social media, the tech reviews, how to grow, and so on. So I would like you to stay to the end of this video for you to understand how to get your postal code, because it is very vital, it is very important for you to have your postal code. You understand? So if you're not having it, that means you're on the right video, because we're going to go straight to how you can start getting your postal code, or how you can get your postal code in this video. Let's dive into it. This is what you have to do. When you go to any of your browser, any browser you have, you can type in nigeriapostalcode.com. In this place I just typed, you can type in your country depending on the country you're coming from. When you type it, then you search for it. Then what we are looking for is this particular one, this postcode.com.ng, which is the correct postal code or zip code for Nigerian cities. You get it, then you will click on it. This actually allow it to load. It's coming. You see that? You see correct postal code for every city in Nigeria. So if actually you are from another country, you actually see your country on this particular place, not Nigeria. You get it? So what you have to do now is now to type your state where you're from. So if you're from another country, you can type in that particular place you are from. You get it? Then me from Anambra. So I'll type Anambra State. So click on search. So it will search for us. You can see Anambra State. It says search results for Anambra State zip code. You can see all of them, both local government and so on. Everything is out. So this is how you can actually get as simple as ABC. You've already gotten what you're actually looking for. You understand? So none of you looking for who to pay for so that you can get your postal code. This is the correct way to be able to get your postal code. So if you have any question after this video, you can do what to ask me in the comment section, because I will always be here to listen to whatever thing you have to say, and I'll also be here to actually answer your question. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends for those that are looking for how to get their postal code because of their Facebook monetization and so on. So I'll see you in my next video.